results that we already did in our last lecture. First one, derivative of constant number is 0. Derivative of constant with respect to x is 0. Second, derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of k times x, constant, k is a constant into x. The answer is that constant number itself. So derivative of 5x is 5. Derivative of 8x is 8. Derivative of x raised to n, x raised to any power. The answer of that is n into x raised to n minus 1. N into x raised to n minus 1. Example, derivative of x raised to 10. Answer is 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1. That means 9. Derivative of x raised to 5. So answer is 5 into x raised to 4. Why 4? 5 minus 1, 4. Derivative of x raised to 1 by 2. The answer is 1 upon 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1. So how to do the calculation? Take 2 LCM. So we get 1 minus 2 in numerator. That means minus 1 in numerator and denominator 2. So the derivative of x raised to 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, derivative of x raised to 1 by 7. The answer of that is 1 by 7 into x raised to minus 6 by 7. How to get that minus 6 by 7? 1 by 7 minus 1, taking 7 LCM, we get 1 minus 7 in numerator. That means minus 6 in numerator. Now let us discuss one more result. Result number 5. Derivative of derivative of k into x raised to n. So here k is a constant. Keep that constant as it is, and just differentiate x raised to n. We know the answer of that is, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. So example, derivative of 7 into x raised to 5. So what is the answer for that? Just simply multiply this 5 with 7. 7 5s are 35 into x raised to 5 minus 1, that means 4. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Derivative of 8 into x raised to 4. What is the answer?
32
32
raised
into
to x
x
into
raised to
32 x raised to
3.
3.
Correct. 32 into x raised to 3. Okay. Now tell me the answer for this. Derivative of 5 into x raised to 3 by 7. So what we have to do? 5.
32 upon 7.
See, 5 into 3 by 7 into x raised to 3 by 7 minus 1. So ultimately we get 15 by 7. 5 3s are 15 by 7 into x raised to, now if we take 7 LCM,
minus 4 by 7.
correct, minus 4 by 7. Okay, now tell me the derivative of 2 into x raised to minus 2 by 9. Tell me the answer directly.
Minus
Minus
9x.
4x
Minus 4 by 9 into x
x
raised to,
7 9. 7 by 9.
7
once
by 9
again,
it is.
check it properly, check it
minus
properly.
minus 11 by 9.
Correct. Minus 11 by 9. Why minus 11 by 9? Minus 2 by
Minus
9
by 9.
minus 1. Yes. And if we take 9 LCM, we get minus 2 minus 9. That means minus 11 by 9. Okay. Tell me the derivative of 3 into x raised to 3 by 5. Tell me.
9 upon 5 x raised
9
to
upon
9
minus
5
upon 5 into
x
x
to
raised to.
minus 2 upon 5.
minus 2 by 5.
Correct. Minus 2 by 5. Perfect. Now, let us discuss rules of derivative. Rules of derivative. Suppose u, v, and w are functions of x. Suppose u, v, w are functions of x. Rule number 1, which is known as addition subtraction rule. Addition subtraction rule. Addition subtraction rule. Suppose, okay, see here we already know that u, v, w are not constant, they are function of x. So the first rule is if y equal to u plus v plus w, then derivative of y with respect to x, derivative of y with respect to x, which is denoted by dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but derivative of y with respect to x. This is the symbol. Derivative of y with respect to x, the symbol of that is dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to du by dx means derivative of u with respect to x plus derivative of v with respect to x plus derivative of w with respect to x. And the same rule is applicable for minus sign also. So it is true for plus or minus sign. Simply differentiate each term and whatever the sign is there, put that sign, you will get the answer. So let us take one small example. If y equal to 7x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 9x minus 7. If this is the question and if you want to find out dy by dx, so simply what is derivative of 7 into x raised to 5?
5 into x raised to 4.
35 into x raised to 4. Perfect. Then sign is minus, so you have to write minus sign. Now derivative of 3x raised to 4.
12x
12x
raised to
to 3.
3
Correct. Plus derivative of 9x,
9.
9. And derivative of constant without x, see there is no x here, so derivative of 7 constant number is what? 0. So no
0.
need to write 0, and this is our answer. So this is simple addition and subtraction rule. Now rule number 2, multiplication rule. Rule number 2, multiplication rule. Suppose if there are two functions, like if y equal to u into v, u and v are functions of x. If y equal to u into v, then dy by dx. Any of you know the rule? What is dy by dx? Multiplication rule. U
du
into,
upon dx
yes, then
into dv upon dx.
okay. See, it is not like that. Differentiate this with respect to u and differentiate this with sorry, differentiate this u with respect to x and multiply derivative of v with respect to x. It's not like that. See, there is one rule. What we have to do? Listen carefully. Keep u as it is and multiply derivative of v with respect to x, then plus sign. Now keep v as it is and multiply derivative of u with respect to x. So what is the rule? U as it is, derivative of v, plus v as it is, derivative of u. Similarly, if there is a multiplication of three function y equal to u into v into w, then dy by dx. Any of you know the multiplication rule for three functions?
uv into dw upon
Correct.
dx
uv as it is dw by dx. Then
plus plus
plus
uw
uw as it is.
into dv upon dx
Correct. Plus
plus vw
vw as it is into du by
u
dx. That
dx.
is the multiplication rule. U into v into w. Keep two function as it is. Differentiate derivative of differentiate third function. Then keep other two function as it is and multiply with the derivative of a third function, like that. So see, because of plus sign, you can put in any order. You can take derivative of u first, keep this two as it is. You will get this term. Then derivative of this, keep remaining two as it is. You will get this term. And derivative of this with respect to x, and keep remaining two function as it is. In that way, you can do this multiplication rule. So let us take one small example. If y equal to x square plus 3 5x minus 7, if this is the question, and if you want to find out dy by dx, so keep consider this as u and this as v. So first function as it is. Now multiply derivative of this second function. Now tell me, what is derivative of 5x?
5
5.
5.
And derivative of 7?
0
0.
So no need to write 0, just simply write 5. Plus, now keep this 5x minus 7 as it is, and tell me the derivative of x square.
2x
2x. And derivative of 3 is what? 0. And now simplify, you will get the answer. So we get here 5x square plus 15. And if we multiply, we get plus 10x square minus 14x. So my final answer is 15x square minus 14x plus 15. This is my final answer. Okay, if we have three functions, multiplication of three functions, let us take one more example. If y equal to x cube plus 1, 2x minus 3, and x plus 5, and if you want to find out dy by dx, so what we have to do, keep first and second function as it is, means x cube plus 1, 2x minus 3 as it is. Now what is derivative of x?
1
1.
1. And derivative of pi is what? 0. So no need to write 0. This is our first step. Plus, now keep first function and third function as it is, and differentiate this second function. What is the derivative of 2x minus 3?
2.
2. Correct. Plus, now keep this last two function as it is, and tell me the derivative of x raised to 3.
3.
3x
3x square.
square.
3x square, and derivative of 1 is 0, and you require to simplify this, you will get final answer. We are not wasting our time to simplify this right now. This is the way to use multiplication rule. Now rule number 3, division rule. If y equal to u upon v, then dy by dx equal to, see what we have to do in division rule. Listen carefully. First of all, whatever the denominator is there, take square of that and put in denominator. So whatever the denominator, let us say denominator is v here, so v square you have to write in denominator. Then once again you have to write this v, and then multiply that v with the derivative of this numerator du by dx. Then after you have to write minus sign. Then you have to write this u as it is and differentiate v with respect to x, dv by dx. So simply see how to learn this. Listen, y equal to, you know that u into, if u into v there, then dy by dx. What we have to do in dy by dx? Keep u as it is, differentiate v, plus v as it is, differentiate u. And see, because of plus sign you can interchange these two terms. Consider this as a second term and this as a first term, or this as a first term and this second term, answer remains unchanged. So you can put in any of the way because of this plus sign. But if instead of multiplication division is there, then compulsory you have to write v first and then differentiate u. Then instead of plus sign you have to write minus sign, then v as it is, and derivative of u divided by v square. Only this thing you have to do. So compulsory you have to write v here first, then derivative of u minus u derivative of v upon v square. So this is the way to learn this result. So let us take one more example. If y equal to 7x minus 3 upon 2x plus 5, then let us find out dy by dx. dy by dx. Okay, the first step, better to write like this. This denominator is what? 2x plus 5. So let us take square of that. 2x plus 5 the whole square. Then keep this 2x plus 5 as it is. And now differentiate this numerator with respect to x. Tell me the derivative of 7x minus 3.
7.
7.
7.
7.
7, correct. Then which sign we have to write? Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus.
Now 7x minus 3, keep as it is. And tell me the derivative of 2x plus 5.
2.
2.
Correct. And now simplify, you will get the answer. So what is simplification? 14x plus 35 minus, if you multiply it by 2, we get 14x, and 3 2s are 6, and this negative negative positive, so we have to write plus 6 upon 2x plus 5 the whole square. You can cancel this, so our final answer is 41 upon 2x plus 5 the whole square. So this is the way to find out the answer. Now let us start exercise. See, question number 7. Find the derivative of the following function with respect to x. You can find out answer of this orally. What is derivative of x cube?
3x square.
3x
3x
square.
square. Plus, what is derivative of 7x square?
14x.
14x.
Plus 14x. Derivative of 5x is 5. And derivative of
Plus
5
5.
five.
is 0. So this
0.
is your answer, over. Now tell me the answer for this question. What is the answer for this?
6x minus
6
9.
6x
minus 9.
Correct.
minus 9.
6x minus 9 is the answer. Over. You require only one step. Okay, same way derivative of this is 14x plus 9. See, 14x
9.
plus 9. Okay, now let us take this example. X raised to y equal to x raised to 5 by 2 plus x raised to 3 by 2 plus x raised to 1 by 2 minus 7. This is the question. Now let us find out the derivative. Dy by dx. Tell me the derivative of x raised to 5 by 2.
5 by
5 by
2
5 by 2
2
x.
x raised to 3 by 2.
2.
Correct, 3 by 2. Why 3 by 2? 5 by 2 minus 1. If we take 2 LCM, we get 5 minus 2. That means 3 by 2. Correct. Now plus. What is the derivative of x raised to 3 by 2?
3 by 2 x raised to 1
3
by
by
2.
2 x raised to 1 by 2.
Yes, 3 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2. Plus. What is the answer for this x raised to 1 by 2?
1
1
by
by
2
2
into x
1
raised
by
plus 1.
minus 1
Correct, minus 1 upon 2. And what is the derivative of 7?
0.
0.
0.
So this is the answer. See, this is the answer. Okay, let us do next question. Question number 8. First one. Y equal to 2x square plus 5x minus 3 and 4x plus 1. There are two ways to solve this question. Listen, there are two methods to solve this question. First one, simplify these two brackets. Simplify this. Means open these two brackets. So how to open this two bracket? You have to multiply 2x square with this 4x plus 1. Simplify and tell me the first step. Multiply this with both the terms. What we get here?
8x cube.
8x cube plus
2x square.
2x
2x
square.
square. Correct. Plus now multiply 5x with these two terms. Tell me the value.
20x square.
20x square plus
5x.
5x. Correct. Now multiply minus 3 with these two terms.
Minus 12x minus
Minus
3.
12x minus 3. Minus 12x minus 3. So what we get ultimately? Simplify this. So we get 8x cube plus, see, 2x square plus 20x square is 22x square. 5x minus 12x is what? Minus 7x minus 3. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Dy by dx. Tell me the answer.
24x square.
Correct. 24x square plus
44x
44.
44. Correct.
minus 7.
Minus 7. And see, this is the answer. The second way to solve this question is use multiplication rule.
Multiplication.
Yes, let us try to find out the answer by that second method. 2x square plus 5x minus 3 in first bracket and 4x plus 1 in second bracket. Now in exam you have a choice. You can use any of these two method. You will get same answer. Okay, let us start multiplication rule. What is multiplication rule? Keep first function as it is. Multiply derivative of second function. What is derivative of this 4x plus 1?
4.
4.
Correct. Plus this 4x plus 1 keep as it is. Now tell me the derivative of 2x square plus 5x minus 3.
4x plus
4x
5.
plus 5.
4x plus 5. Correct. Now simplify. Now simplify. Open the bracket. So we get here 8x square plus 20x minus 12 plus, open the bracket and tell me the first step.
16x square
16x square
plus
plus
20x
20x plus
4x plus 5.
5. And see, final simplification. 8x square plus 20x, 16x square, that is 24x square plus, see, 20x plus 20x plus 4x, that means 44x, and see, minus 12 plus 5, that means minus 7, and this is our final answer. 24x square See, the same answer we have here. So you have a choice. In exam, you can do whatever the method you like. You will get the same answer and you will get full marks. Second one, y equal to x square plus 1 and x plus 1. So let us start u into v method. U v, first bracket as it is. What is derivative of x plus 1?
1.
1.
1.
Perfect. Plus x plus 1 as it is. What is derivative of x square plus 1?
2x.
2x.
2x. Correct. So what we get ultimately? X square plus 1 plus 2x square plus 2x. So my final answer is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. That is my final answer. Okay, you try to solve this question number 9, 10 by yourself. Let us do question number 11. Y equal to x into x plus 1, sorry, x plus 2 into x square plus 2. Now you do one simple step, then it becomes simple example. Simply simplify this. Multiply by x. What we get? Tell me.
X square plus
Plus
2x.
2x.
X square plus 2x, and keep this as it is. And now let us use multiplication rule. U into v. Yes, tell me. This x square plus 2x as it is. What is the derivative of x square plus 2?
2x.
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 Perfect. Plus this x square plus 2 as it is. And tell me the derivative of x square plus 2x.
2x
2x
plus
plus
2.
2.
2x plus 2. Okay, in exam it's always better to write rule here, so the examiner will get the idea that you are going to use this particular rule to solve this problem. It's better. And then after, simplify this. So we get here 2x cube plus 4x square plus, tell me the first step here.
2x cube plus
Correct.
2x square.
Plus 2x square plus,
4x plus
yes,
4.
plus 4. Okay, so my final answer is 2x cube plus 2x cube means 4x cube plus 2x 4x square plus 2x square, that means 6x square plus 4x plus 4. This is our final answer for question number 11. You can take two common, not required to write that particular step. You can consider this as your final step, no problem at all. But if you the answer given in the book, take two common. So what we get here? 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. So either you can write this answer or this one. It's same thing. Okay. Now solve by yourself. Question number 13. Y equal to x raised to 7 upon 7 minus x raised to 6 upon 6 plus x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 7 by 2. Okay, now see, this is a simple question. Better to write this like 1 upon 7 into x raised to 7. Instead of x raised to 7 upon 7, you can write 1 upon 7 into x raised to 7. So tell me, what we have to write in this place?
1 upon 6 into x raised to 6.
Correct. And this is 1 upon 5 into x raised to 5 minus 7 by 2 as it is. And now differentiate. Now differentiate. Tell me the answer.
1 upon 49 1 into x raised to 6.
Yeah, means only you can write x raised to 6. Yeah. Okay, you do one thing. 1 by 7 keep as it is and tell me the derivative of x raised to 7. 7 into x raised to 6. Minus plus 1 by 5 as it is. Derivative of x raised to 5 is what? 5 into x raised to 4. Minus derivative of 7 by 2 is what? 0. Now you can cancel this 7. So we get x raised to 6 minus cancel this 6. So we get x raised to 5 plus cancel this 5. We get x raised to 4. And that is our final answer, x raised to 6. See the answer, x raised to 6 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4. Let us do this question number 14. Y equal to 2x square minus 3, 2x square minus 3 upon x square plus 7. Okay, now what we have to do here? Tell me what we have to do in this question.
Division rule.
How to find out derivative? Correct, division rule. Division rule, first step, take the square of the denominator and put in denominator. So x square plus 7 the whole square you have to write in denominator. Then x square plus 7 you have to write once again as it is. Into, now derivative of numerator. What is derivative of numerator?
4x.
4x, correct. Then plus sign or minus sign?
Minus.
Plus plus
Minus.
sign or minus sign?
Minus.
Minus sign. Okay, then this 2x square plus 7, 2x square minus, yes it is, correct, into
2x.
2x, correct. Okay, now simplify numerator. Numerator, simplify numerator. Keep this denominator as it is. What is simplification of numerator? 4x cube plus, correct, minus,
4x cube.
open the bracket, 4x cube minus or plus,
Plus 6x.
X.
minus or plus,
Plus.
yes, plus 6x. Okay, now this 2x cube cancel. So what is my final answer? 28x plus 6x, 24x, sorry, 34x upon x square plus 7 the whole square. This is final answer, 34x upon x square plus 7 the whole square. So now you are able to solve this question number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Try to find out the answer of up to 21, and if you find any difficulty we will discuss in our next lecture. So this is enough for today. Any question to anybody?